Framex SL28, a modern solution for lightweight and functional sliding structures at an affordable price. System type: sliding. Optimal parameters for reliability and structural stability. Frame installation depth 45 or 81 millimeters. Sash depth 28 millimeters. Filling thickness 4 to 10 or 16 to 22 millimeters. Effective protection against drafts and dust. Enhanced user comfort. 2-contour felt gasket. Drainage valves at the bottom of the frame. The whole system reliably removes moisture and prevents water from entering the interior. Visible part of the profile, frame plus sash, 95 millimeters. Maximum sash weight, 45 kilograms. Threshold height, 43 millimeters. A reliable barrier against moisture and dust, ensuring durability and comfort in use. Allows the creation of tall and wide structures with a panoramic effect. Maximum sash size, 1,000 by 2,400 millimeters. Maximum structure width, up to 6,000 millimeters. An aesthetic and convenient solution for easy sash operation. Recessed handle. Enhanced security and protection against unwanted access. External locking with a key. The profile is powder-coated in any color according to the RAL palette. Framex SL28, the optimal combination of reliability, comfort, and price. Framex, commitment to quality, partners, and product innovation.